In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack login issues. If you've been struggling to get back into your Slack workspace, don't worry. We're going to walk through some troubleshooting steps to help resolve the most common login problems. Let's dive right in. First things first, it's essential to check your internet connection. Your device needs to be connected to a reliable network for Slack to function correctly. So start by ensuring you're connected to the internet. You can do a quick test by opening a few websites. If they load without any issues, that's a good sign. However, if you're experiencing slow or intermittent connectivity, and if you're on Wi-Fi, consider switching to a different network. Alternatively, you can also try using mobile data. Sometimes a simple switch can make all the difference. Additionally, if your connection seems unstable, restarting your router might help stabilize it. Next, let's talk about verifying your workspace URL. Slack requires the correct URL to sign in, so this step is crucial. Go to the Slack sign-in page and enter your email address to locate all the workspaces associated with your account. Once you have those listed, make sure you're selecting the correct workspace before attempting to log in. This small step can help avoid any unnecessary confusion. If you find yourself unable to remember your password, don't worry. It happens to the best of us. You'll want to reset your password by clicking Forgot Your Password on the Slack sign-in page. After entering your email address, look for the password reset email in your inbox. Follow the instructions provided in that email to create a new password. Then give signing in another shot with your newly set credentials. In many cases, particularly in organizational settings, Slack employs single sign-on, or SSO, for authentication. If your company follows this protocol, you'll need to click the Sign In with SSO option. Enter your organization's workspace URL, and complete the authentication process through your identity provider. This might require some additional steps, depending on your organization's setup, so if you're uncertain about whether SSO is in use, it's best to reach out to your Slack workspace administrator for guidance. Finally, let's ensure that your browser settings are not the source of the problem. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can often resolve issues like this. It helps freshen things up by removing any outdated or corrupted data that might be interfering with your login attempts. Each browser has slightly different instructions for clearing cache and cookies, but you can typically find this option in the Settings or Preferences menu. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and hopefully resolve any login issues you've been experiencing with Slack. Remember, maintaining a stable internet connection, keeping track of the correct workspace URL, and ensuring your browser is clean can all contribute to a smoother Slack experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps get you back into your workspace without a hitch.